In yet another historic event in the maritime calendar of India, Indian naval sailing vessel or INSV Tarini touched the Indian shores as she entered Goa harbour and secured alongside the INS Mandovi jetty on successful completion of a 17,000 nautical miles trans-ocean intercontinental voyage after 188 days. The six-member crew was received at the jetty by Chief Minister of Goa Pramod Sawant, Union Minister Smriti Irani and Chief of the Naval Staff R. Hari Kumar among other senior naval officers. The flagging ceremony began with a magnificent display of yachting skills by young and promising yachtsmen of the Navy Boys Sports Company. This was followed by a spectacular flypast by versatile naval aviation platforms such as the Chetak, Kamov 31, Hawks, IL-38, Dornier and MiG-29K aircraft. Speaking on the occasion, Pramod Sawant complimented the exemplary display of valor, courage and perseverance by the crew and highlighted the Indian Navy's role as a pioneer in the country in ocean sailing, as exemplified by the international accolades received by Captain Dilip Donde, Commander Abhilash Tomi, and the Navika Sagar Parikrama team of 6 women naval officers, a true display of Nari Shakti.
मुझे गोवा सरकार की तरफ से प्राउड मोमेंट फील हो रहा है और आज इस अवसर पर मेरे साथ में हमारे केंद्रीय मंत्री वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड मैडम स्मृति ईरानी जी यहाँ पे हैं, बाकी ऑल द कमांडिंग ऑफिसर्स और जो तारानी पे जो ऑल टुगेदर 8 ऑफिसर्स थे इंक्लूडिंग द 2 गर्ल्स ऑफिसर्स, उनका मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। गोवा सरकार की तरफ से आफ्टर 160 डेज तारानी पे रह के वो वापस गोवा में आए हैं, उनका मैं गोवा सरकार की तरफ से, गोवा के लोगों की तरफ से और इंडियन नेवी की तरफ से बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। हमेशा के लिए हर वक्त इंडियन नेवी इस तरह के एक्सपीडिशंस इंडियन नेवल यानी इसी पोर्ट से करते आ रहे हैं। इससे आगे भी इस तरह के इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए गोवा सरकार की तरफ से हमेशा के लिए सपोर्ट दिया है।
Smriti Irani appreciated the arduous expedition that was undertaken by the Tarini crew, more so by 2 women officers, Lieutenant Commander Dilna K and Lieutenant Commander Rupa A, who were part of the entire 188 days and 17,000 nautical miles of sailing. Irani said that such achievements should be recorded for posterity and shared with the entire nation to encourage and motivate the youth to not only join the armed forces but also serve the nation with pride and honor.
सेना हिंदुस्तान का गौरव है और आज एक महिला प्रतिनिधि होने के नाते मैं विशेष अभिनंदन करती हूँ लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर दिलना का, लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर रूपा का, जो भारतीय नौसेना में अपनी सेवा के साथ साथ राष्ट्र को प्रखरता के प्रमाण दे रही हैं कि महिला को अगर राष्ट्र सेवा का मौका दिया जाए, चाहे वो नेवी ही क्यों ना हो, तो वो उत्तीर्ण हो सकती हैं। जैसा कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री गोवा ने अभी कहा, 160 दिवस की इस अवधि में विश्व भर का सर्कम नेविगेशन अपने आप में एक इतिहास बनाने की प्रेरणा देता है। लेकिन साथ ही मैं नेवी चीफ को और पूरे भारतीय नौसेना को विशेष अभिनंदन देना चाहती हूँ कि अब तक सर्कम नेविगेशन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में भारतीय नौसेना के महिला ऑफिसर्स ने पुरुषों की तुलना में ज्यादा योगदान दिया है। दिस इज सफाइस टू से दैट women, when given an opportunity, can serve their country with exemplary efforts. Our 2 female officers are an inspiration not only to the women of India but also men who are dedicated to the cause of the nation state. Once again, my heartiest congratulations to Indian Navy and my gratitude as a citizen for their consistent service to the country.
Admiral R. Hari Kumar congratulated the crew on its successful completion of the challenging endeavour. He added that the achievement of the crew in navigating through adverse weather conditions and undertaking in-house repairs whenever needed are shining examples of innovation and ingenuity that our countrymen possess. He also emphasized that this voyage towards women empowerment is not an end, but the start of a new phase of providing an ocean of opportunities for female sailors to conquer the 7 seas.
I want to tell them that, do not protest, do not be violent. Understand the scheme, remain peaceful, read and understand the scheme, find out more about it. This is an opportunity. This is an opportunity for you to serve for shorter durations. And those of you who are good enough or who want to pursue career further, there's always the opportunity. If you are in merit, you'll continue. You can continue in service. There are many people even today who do not want to serve long, but they don't have an option of leaving because you have signed for 15 years or minimum or for 20 years. So therefore, this is a great opportunity for the youth to serve the country and, as well as make themselves better.
INSV Tarini's historic voyage from Goa to Rio de Janeiro via Cape Town and back spanned 188 eventful days of achievement.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.